Welcome back. I am so excited today because I'm sure you can see I have mail. So this is my first, but won't be my last, Magical Mail Monday. And I'm super excited. I just have a small one for you today, just a couple of packages. But the way I've been shopping lately, there will be more to come. So if you like what you see today, just you wait, there'll be more. I will link all of the shops down below so that if you see something you like, you can also check it out. I'm going to start with this one back here. I'm so excited. This is from Bella Art de Nicole. This is my first purchase from them. I told you I love my resin tray, but I've been looking for something else. I keep seeing some others. So I wanted to give her trays a try. So she does 3D printed trays. I got the 2-pack of smalls, and they are small. That's a little smaller than I expected. So I will probably be trying a large here in the future. They are packed really well. They're really nicely bubble wrapped. Oops, that I'm going to pop at you. I should have grabbed some scissors. Just going to rip into that. So here they are. And they're 3D printed. They have, she's got her little sticker and her business card. And like I said, I will link that. So her trays actually have a lid that slides on and off. And then I've got a stopper that I can put in there. And she has these in different colors. I'm so excited. This is not a color combination that I normally would have picked for myself necessarily, but green and black are actually my husband's favorite. So I was like, oh, it's okay. It'll give me a chance to try her trays out. And then when a color I like a little bit more comes along, I will just trade him, or I'll hand those over. I'll pass the love along. And then I got some of these because I couldn't resist. So I don't know who has already been to McDonald's this year for one of their Happy Meals in the buckets. But I know everyone around our age is feeling nostalgic. I'm not sure if I grew up with those. I might have barely missed it. But my husband can remember them. And look at these minders. Oh my goodness. This is the little ghost. He has the lid. And it is for trash drills. It actually comes off, and then this is like so amazing to me. So the other magnet is printed into it. So the other magnet is inside. I am just like tickled by these. I almost got the whole set. I think there were 5 different ones. I got 3. So I got the little glow ghost and the little purple like goal. Oh, so fun. Again, put your trash tray drills in there. The lid goes on. It's a minder. And finally, I was like, okay, so my husband loves green, but he also probably is going to love the glow one, so I'll have to let him pick which one he wants. Or we'll just both use all of them. Like, not at the same time, obviously, but we'll take some turns. Because we're good at sharing. We know how to do that. We're trying to teach our kids. And then here's the witch. So I was so excited. So there's those. Like I said, I couldn't resist. How could I say no? I couldn't. Like, let's be honest. So those are that's my little Bella Art de Nicole, my 2 little trays. They are stackable too, which I love. And if you get the bigger ones, you can actually figure out how to stack both, which is awesome. All right, let's get into this one next. This one actually came last week, and I've been waiting till I got a couple more. So I've really had to practice my patience. Patience, not one of my virtues. So put me to the test. This is from Crafts with Crashly. Let's make sure I get everything. Oh, let's see. I think that's just my invoice. So I think we're all good there. She writes you a little card, which is so cute. These small businesses, it's one of the things I love. Most of them are just crafters. They're running their business out of their home, And they just make everything so personal. Like, you would not get a handwritten note from Walmart. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but like, you know, sometimes it's just so nice to have a little handwritten note. And look at this. She put a ton of stickers in here today. Here's her little card, her little, I think it's a froggy with the pen. Again, I'll link down below. And then she gave lots of stickers, so my kids will just have a heyday. They'll have to figure out how to share those. I always take the ones I want first, but this time I didn't necessarily. She does have a YouTube channel, so she gives you all that information. And I did get Ribbit Stick It, which I'll show you. So I've got the directions for that. So here is the Ribbit Stick It. She puts it in this little box. This is her version of the diamond painting putty, and oh my gosh, it even comes. So I got peppermint this time. It does come as a minder, so you could attach it to your canvas. So neat. But oh, I got peppermint, you guys, and it looks, it's like swirled. Oh my gosh, can we see that? And it smells like a candy cane. And I know that my daughter is going to be smelling that here in a bit, all day long, every day. So she always wants to smell it. And then she gives you, these are her release papers. So I did get, she included a little, she does 2 sizes. So this is her small size, and that's her logo one. That one was just included. That was another freebie. So many freebies. And then these are the ones I actually ordered. So she labels them so you know what's in there. But I got these adorable mermaids. These are reusable release papers. And so you put them on your canvas. And then as you're done, you can put them back in the envelope. You can use them again and again and again. I got these adorable little like sunflower gnomes. Absolutely love those. And then these little dragons with books, which again, I'm going to have to share with my husband. But let's be honest, I'm going to use them too. Because again, they're reusable and there's a lot in there. So, and then this was like another freebie. So many freebies from her this time. So I got another little minder in this little bag. And then some washi tape. So fun. Thanks, Crashly at Crafts from Crashly. I'm so excited. That was my second order from her, and I already have another one on the way. So shh, don't tell. But this one is not necessarily strictly diamond painting, but I've already fallen in love with this company. So this is Dragons and Beasties. And normally my husband is the dragon guy, but I have to be honest, I discovered this site and I want everything on it. There's not a single thing that I'm just like, no, like I want to buy everything on it. So I'm really practicing my restraint. But I got one of their sketchbooks, and I am planning on, to tie it into diamond painting, I'm planning on making this my logbook for 2023. So I'm going to use the big stickers and put in there, write down what diamond paintings I use. The pages are just blank, so I can kind of just put whatever information I want in there with my sticker. And I just, oh my gosh, look at that. The little kitty, I can't resist. Like, it's got this adorable dragon. Oh my gosh, even a little mouse. The kitty, the bird, they're just amazing. I want all of them. I'm going to buy all of their little sketchbooks, and then I'm going to have my logbooks for the next 20 years. So their stuff is just so cute. Our last one is a diamond painting pen mail. I'm so excited because I don't have a bunch yet, but that's quickly changing. I've got to practice some restraint. But this is Custom Pens by TJ, and I participated in an event they did. And every week I was like, oh, please, please, please let me win. I want one of your pens. And I didn't. And so finally, they do their drops on Facebook. They do a lot of Me Please random number generators. They also do some by auction, but this was a Me Please, and my name came up. Oh, and look at that. Okay, so it's in the box. Then it's in a bubble. So again, keeping our pretty pens safe, we have to make sure we keep our pretty pens safe because and I can't remember if I got to pick my tips with them or not. I'm trying to remember, but I remember oh, look, more freebies, more stickers. Oh my gosh, look at this. So like so seasonal on theme. I've got the little pumpkin ghost and this little like candy gold monster. So cute. And then there's their business card. Again, I'll link them down below, TJ and Emily. And they have videos sometimes of TJ actually turning the pens and stuff. Very neat. Oh, so I've got my bubble. And then look, this is even, so it's even in a pink bag. So cute. Ooh, and this is right. They actually include these like rose gold tips. So I've got a 5-placer on there. One of these days I'm gonna learn how to multi-place. I will. But it's this beautiful pink and purple swirl pen. It's actually like, that's really comfy. Like my fingers fit in there really well. Like I could definitely see using that. It's not very heavy. It's very, very pretty. I just love that. Oh my gosh. So again, I'm going to link these different, it's got glitter in there. Oh my gosh. The more I look, the more I'm just like, oh, this pen is even more intricate than I realized when I ordered it. Oh my goodness. Yep. I'm not sad that I did me please on that one and that I snagged that, because I mean, it really is like one of a kind. Even if they have other blanks like that, like they're not all going to have the exact same swirls. It's just, okay. So I'm going to stop just googing and gawing over the pen. So I will link these shops down below. Please also remember to push the like if you saw something you liked, or hopefully you just liked seeing my goodies. And then the subscribe so that you can get more diamond painting content, including these magical mail Mondays and some unboxings that are coming soon, and my relax and unwind whip and chats. Hopefully I will have some more things coming. Let me know if you have any ideas. I love just spending time with you and hearing your comments, and have a wonderful night, guys. All right. Bye until next time.